This is Audible.
And of course, sex. I'm an artist, and this is my studio. I have a showing in less than an hour. I need someone to handle all the transactions, and my girlfriend broke up with me last week. Artist. Showing. Less than an hour? And a girlfriend? Not touching that one. I shift on my feet, glance behind me at the studio once more, and then back to him. Do I get any kind of...
This is Audible.
Falling to your death. Lily, he says pointedly, there is no such thing as bad people. We're all just people who sometimes do bad things. I open my mouth to respond, but his words strike me silent. We're all just people who sometimes do bad things. I guess that's true in a way.
This is Audible.
Nope. My stereo, and pulls the sucker